Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do the diamond shopping mission faster. The way to start the mission is first you need to go to Terrorbyte, go to client jobs, and you select it. Once you select it, go to diamond shopping and press confirm, and you started the mission. And if you guys got an oppressor mark 2, this will be even better. Just use your oppressor mark 2 and drive it out. The mission normally tells you to drive the Terrorbyte, but you shouldn't do that because that will take longer. So instead, just take your oppressor and go to this location right here. And the reason why we want to go to this location is because this location is where the actual mission takes place. So yeah, instead of driving the Terrorbyte, we will pilot the oppressor over there since it's much faster. And this mission is really good for making money. And the way I do it is even better because you get $30,000 in just less than 2 minutes or less if you're good. So yeah, and once you arrive to this location, just do the mission normally. Just kill everyone in the store. And once you do, just take the briefcase and bring it back to the mission. Bring it back to the mission marker. Yeah, and then you get your money. And I will highly recommend to do this mission right after you done Headhunter, because this mission is not affected by the cooldown of the VIP work. So as a result, I recommend you guys do it right after you do Headhunter. And once you're done, just drive it back to the place. And the good thing about this mission is when you get cops, you can just call it away with Lester. And yep, it shouldn't cost you more than $600, which is pretty much nothing. Because of the pay you're getting at the end of the mission. So yeah, and it will be even better if you guys completed the Doomsday heist like me, where I can get it for free and it doesn't add up to my costs. So yeah, once you're done, then just drive it to the mission. And if you're in a public lobby, just be careful because people can come and blow you up and deliver the gold for themselves. So yeah, and now we are gonna go arrive to the location. And one thing for the oppressor is try to stay to the ground, because the oppressor moves much quicker once it's on the ground. So yeah, as you can see, we arrived and you can just drop it off here. And as you can see, I earned $30,000. And there are some events that goes on that would make the mission double money and RP. So it's totally worth it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I helped you guys out. I know this is a long known trick and it should help out new players. So thanks guys, see you later.